So Brian, tax sale resources. You have a lot of resources for folks who are getting, who operate in buying real estate stuff. But if somebody's interested in getting into that, and they want to be like want to make it their full-time real estate, be an entrepreneur, but they have limited starting capital. How do they do that? And maybe we should talk about what's the limited starting capital? Like, what's the limit? What's the smallest amount you can have to get into this and really make a go of it?
Yeah, there's lots of different ways to get into real estate. Obviously, we come from the tax sale arena, right? Yeah. And historically, it's been hard to get into this space because it is so cash intensive. It requires a lot of capital because you can't use traditional bank financing for tax deeds. It used to be, right, really to get into purchasing a tax deed, which is where most, I'll say, good return opportunities are today versus the liens. Tax deeds, I'd say you needed at least $50,000 in cash, right? Not everybody has that just sitting around. Now, right, with our financing program, it's really a capital partnership program. We'll provide up to 10 times whatever capital you have available, right? So if you've got $10,000 in assets or cash, then now you've got $100,000 worth of capital to work with.
Okay.
It allows you to jumpstart. So that's something we can certainly help with if you're looking to get a head start or a leg up and do this on a larger scale. That's something we can certainly help with.
Wow, it's pretty nice. How do you qualify for that? I mean, do I have to prove myself as, listen, I'm serious about this. I know this stuff.
Yeah, you need to know what you're doing, right?
Yeah,
so
sure.
We do have an application, and basically it goes through proving that you've purchased something before and that you have cash available. If you're just getting started in the industry, it's not the best program, right? Yeah. We want to ensure you know what you're doing.
Sure, absolutely.
And then we can help you, grow your business into something big.
Well, it sounds like a great way of really accelerating whatever it is you want to accomplish in real estate market. So, taxsaleresources.com. If you're not already there, go there. You can find out some more. We have some other videos on there too. But give these guys a call if you're looking to take it to the next level. So,
absolutely.
Thanks a lot.
Give us a call, 877-982-9725. Thanks, Randy.